in the wild.
So this is our third year of drought. We've had below average rainfall years the last 2 years, and this year's been incredibly bad as well, which has left the landscape denuded of grass. We are in a serious drought at the moment, and the animals are battling. It's no longer a natural system. We've had to intervene and try and solve the problem and pull through until we get rain. So we're buying truckloads of food on a weekly basis and then having to distribute that throughout the reserve. So there's enough feed at various different points. All the managers and their staff that are involved in the reserve are now having to spend their time on feeding animals. So they use their vehicles to load feed, taking it, dropping it off at the different feeding sites, monitoring it, mixing feed, etc. But our drought relief program in terms of feeding is working very well. We're able to keep our rhino alive as well as all the other animals. But it's hugely cumbersome, and it's a day-to-day thing now. Before we used to spend a lot of our time on other conservation, where this year we are focusing 90% of our time on only feeding animals. We've never had to feed. We used to a natural system where the sort of animals sustain themselves, and now we're having to get involved at a seriously small scale to make sure we keep them alive.